Today I'm home alone. Today I'm home alone.
It's raining really hard outside. It's raining really hard outside. The weather feels pretty cold today. The weather feels pretty cold today.
I can hear the thunder rumbling. I can hear the thunder rumbling.
I want to cook something warm. I want to cook something warm. So I decide to make Bún Bò Huế today. So I decide to make Bún Bò Huế today. First, I prepare all the ingredients. First, I prepare all the ingredients. My kitchen is full of fresh ingredients. My kitchen is full of fresh ingredients. I have beef shank and pork hocks. I have beef shank and pork hocks. I also have lemongrass, ginger, and onions. I also have lemongrass, ginger, and onions. Shrimp paste is important for the real Huế flavor. Shrimp paste is important for the real Huế flavor. I have annatto oil too. I have annatto oil too. I start by cleaning the meat and bones. I start by cleaning the meat and bones. Then I blanch them in boiling water. Then I blanch them in boiling water. I rinse everything well. I rinse everything well. I put them into a big pot. I put them into a big pot. I add plenty of water. I add plenty of water. I add lemongrass, ginger, and onion. I add lemongrass, ginger, and onion. I let it simmer slowly. I let it simmer slowly. These tomatoes look so fresh and red. These tomatoes look so fresh and red. I don't think I need this many. I don't think I need this many. I open the refrigerator. I open the refrigerator. Oh no! There's no beef inside. Oh no! There's no beef inside. I really need good beef. I really need good beef. Going outside is difficult now. Going outside is difficult now. The rain is getting heavier. The rain is getting heavier. I can't go out in this weather. I can't go out in this weather. Suddenly, I get an idea. Suddenly, I get an idea. I grab my phone. I grab my phone.
I search for fresh beef online. I search for fresh beef online. I will place the order right away. I will place the order right away.
The delivery should arrive soon. The delivery should arrive soon. Suddenly, the doorbell rings. Suddenly, the doorbell rings.
I'm sure it's the delivery guy. I'm sure it's the delivery guy.
I open the door carefully. I open the door carefully.
Good evening, ma'am. Delivery for you.
He's holding a big bag. He's holding a big bag. He hands me the package.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
He hands me the package. I put the fresh beef on the table. I put the fresh beef on the table. I stir the broth slowly. I stir the broth slowly. I add shrimp paste and chili sauté. I add shrimp paste and chili sauté. The Bún Bò Huế smells amazing. The Bún Bò Huế smells amazing. I cook the thick rice noodles. I cook the thick rice noodles. I slice the beef thinly. I slice the beef thinly. I prepare fresh herbs and banana blossom. I prepare fresh herbs and banana blossom. I place the big steaming bowl on the table. I place the big steaming bowl on the table. Look at this beautiful bowl! Look at this beautiful bowl! The broth is so red and fragrant. The broth is so red and fragrant. I add some lime, chili, and fresh herbs. I add some lime, chili, and fresh herbs. Time to eat! Time to eat! Mmm, so delicious! Mmm, so delicious. The beef is tender and the broth is perfect. The beef is tender and the broth is perfect. It's spicy, savory, and warms me right up. It's spicy, savory, and warms me right up. This is the best Bún Bò Huế I've had in a long time. What about you? What about you? What would you cook on a rainy day like this?